Hello guys! How are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. Today, we will explore how to make the best broiled lobster in an easy but delicious way. This is a juicy favorite that you will truly come back for. So, without further ado, we will head on to our ingredients. We will need 2 lobster, 1/4 cup salted butter melted or half stick, 3 cloves garlic crushed, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 pinch cayenne pepper, half teaspoon thyme, and for our garnish we will need asparagus, parsley finely chopped, and also our lemon slices. How to clean and butterfly a lobster. I already rinsed this lobster. We will detach the body from the head. Using kitchen shears, we will cut down the center of the shell lengthwise, continuing down until you reach the tail. You want to cut through the top of the shell, but don't cut through the bottom shell. Now, we will use our thumbs and fingers to spread open the shell on top. We will remove this undesired thing here, they call tomali. And we will remove the undesired black parts here. And then we will gently pull the lobster meat upwards, separating it away from the bottom shell, leaving the end attached to the tail fin intact. We will then slightly push together the empty shell underneath and place the raw of meat on top. Repeat the same way with the other lobster. So before we start, we will set the broil temperature to 500 degree Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. As we preheat it, in a small bowl, we will whisk together the melted butter, garlic, lemon juice, smoked paprika, cayenne, and the thyme. And then we will brush butter mixture over the lobster meat. And then we will put the garlic inside the head shell. This asparagus, already put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. We will brush in also the butter mixture, same with the lobster. And 1 minute before the cooking of the lobster, we will add this to the oven. We'll put now the lobster in the oven and wait until the meat is like orange or lightly brown to broil it for 5 minutes. For any request or suggestion, please leave a comment down below and I do answer all of my viewers. Also, for those now who haven't subscribed yet, it will be a great help to my channel in continuing my passion in cooking. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell button as well. For the general rule of thumb for lobster, cooking time is about 1 minute per ounce of individual tail. For example, as I broiled here 5 ounces of lobster tail, it will be cooked for 5 minutes. We will now plate our lobster. We will garnish it with our asparagus and our lemon slice. Chopped parsley. So there you go, our broiled lobster in lemon garlic butter. Enjoy! See you next time! Again, stay safe. I appreciate you. Bye!